Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. In this quarantine time, since we have some time at home, so let's use it in our creativity and having some fun time. So I came up with an idea of making a mini garden in our home using all the stuff that I have at home, that too without using any soil. So friends, let's see what we have in here. Here we go making our mini garden at home. So I'm almost done with the decoration of this area. This is the final result that you can see in this picture. Do let me know how it looks like. So friends, now I will show you how I will remodel a gift. Also, how I use Cocopeat instead of using soil to grow my plants. I'll be using a branch of velvet love, and here you can see that the roots are not out yet. So I'll be using these cocoa coir to make our Cocopeat. So let's get started. So first of all, I would cut these into smaller pieces, of which I will grind them and make them into powder. To this powder, I would be adding a solution of Libinol. Libinol is a plant growth hormone which is available in any plant nursery. Its dosage is 2 ml per liter of water. It's used for the healthy growth of plants. So see how easy it is to make Cocopeat? So instead of soil, we can always use Cocopeat with only Libinol, which will help your plants to grow healthy. Cocopeat is lightweight and insects don't catch easily into it, and the risk of dirtying the room is also very less. So we can use Cocopeat indoors for any plants that you want to grow. Now I will name some plants which we can grow from branches. In this picture, I have used a branch of velvet love. Secondly, a branch of lucky bamboo. This is a branch of Song of India. Another breed of lucky bamboo. This is a branch of mosses of Cradle. Another breed of lucky bamboo. A branch of devil's backbone. So these are the names of some of the plants which can be propagated from branches and can be grown in Cocopeat, soil or water. And the most important part is, in my design, I have used a lot of plants which not only generates oxygen but also purifies the air we breathe in. I hope you've liked my video, so please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.